What's up, Bounce House School? Let's talk about contracts. Boring, ugly, but we got to do it. So let's knock it out. Do it one time, and then you're done. You probably just have to check it once a year. So let's jump right in. Two things I'm going to show you how to do in this video. Number one, how to put together a contract for your party rental business for free using my template. You still have to get it checked by an attorney. I'm not an attorney. You should. I highly recommend you pay an attorney to look it over. But I'll show you how to at least create a starter template for free. And two, I'm going to show you how to put it into your rental software. All right. Now, if you're already in our rental software, all you have to do to grab the template is go to settings. And then from there, you're going to type in contract templates and boom, you're there. So you're just going to click add contract template. And it's already going to have it pre-filled for you. Let me make this a little bit smaller. So as you can see here, this is already designed to go into the software. So you're just going to start from the top and you're going to start filling. Actually, no, you don't even have to fill anything in. It's already going to put in your company name here. You just have to replace your logo here. Put your logo here by clicking replace, and you'll replace this logo with your logo. And then it'll automatically enter all of their information, their prices, all that stuff. And here you already have a contract template. Here's what's really cool. At the end, it'll even tell them how many circuits or how many outlets they have to provide because you've already put that into your software. It's really, really cool. If you want to add anything else, you can add it here. For example, lessor will provide water in case provide a water hose with running water that can reach the inflatable if renting a water slide. Now, obviously, I'm not an attorney. I'm not writing this in a way that an attorney would probably write it, but you go ahead and you fill in everything that you think should be there. You can even, what I like to do is go to ChatGPT and be like, I'm adding this to my rental contract. Please rewrite. Please, lessor will. Lessor will ensure that there's a water hose running water provided long enough to reach the failure. Perfect. So then I go back here. Lessor will, boom. And this is where you can go in and you can go into your rules and stuff like that and just put it all in here. Make a list of your rules, put them into ChatGPT, and then say, hey, add these to my contract. For example, if I go to my page here, /things. All right, so like this is the stuff that's my policies, right? You can add this stuff in here into lessor will let us know if they have a sprinkler system so that we don't hit anything because they're responsible, blah, 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 blah. You put all that in there. You have ChatGPT write it in a way that looks legit. And then the contract can be digitally signed. It's pretty awesome. The final step is you're going to copy this whole thing. Just copy, Command A, copy it. And you could put it in like a Word doc like this, and you send it to an attorney. This is very important, guys. I cannot stress this enough. Don't take a chance with your business. This is just a template. I'm not an attorney. You send it to an attorney. You say, hey, I'm starting a party rental business. I already have a template. It's only 8 pages. I need somebody just to review it to make sure everything's good and everything makes sense. And they will go ahead and check it off on you. And that is how you make sure that you have a good contract for your business. If you made it this far in the video, make sure you comment your state and your city to let me know that the video was engaging and delivered, and that also helps the channel. If you guys have any questions, also put them in the comments so that I can answer them. And this has been Party Rental Contract 101. I hope this helps. Have a great day.